Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So today I'm showing you a new update for aiomatic based on your suggestions once again. So many of you guys asked, so the chatbot can provide clickable links and clickable images maybe to its responses, so to users in its responses. So this was not possible because until now I made the chatbot very restricted, so when it returned HTML or JavaScript in its content, then it will not be executed. So if you want to allow the chatbot to do also HTML in these responses, like buttons, like links, then you need to update the plugin to the latest version. Go to the chatbot settings tab in the AI chatbot menu and be sure to enable chatbot HTML responses checkbox. So this will enable the chatbot to also display HTML like links, like images, and many more. Also, if you want to make your site more secure, to not allow JavaScript to be executed from the responses of the chatbot, then you need also to check the strip JavaScript from chatbot HTML responses checkbox, because this will not allow the chatbot to execute JavaScript. So if you don't check this, but you check the chatbot HTML responses, people can actually go into the chatbot and write some code to hack this site, and the chatbot might respond if they know how to play with the words and how to trick the chatbot. But in this case, I recommend to both these two checkboxes to be checked if you want to enable HTML responses. But after we check these two checkboxes, we can go and show this feature. So for example, I will use the chatbot context feature to tell the chatbot that, hey, send this link to CodeRevolution.ro in a clickable HTML format in your first message. And we save settings. And now we will be able to demonstrate this feature. So let's write to the chatbot hello. And as a result, we will see a response. Please check out this link, CodeRevolution.ro, and we will be able to click it and go actually to CodeRevolution site. But because we set this context to the chatbot and instructed it that send this link in a clickable HTML format in your first message. So be sure to use this feature with caution, especially if you don't check this JavaScript stripping from the responses, because this can be tricky for users. So I hope this feature will come useful for you, as starting from now the chatbot will have the ability to send links, images, and anything else that you instructed from here. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching until the end. Aiomatic is linked in this video description. If you have ideas, suggestions, let me know, as this also was created, this feature was created based on your suggestions. And yeah, this is all for today. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.